Hi folks, welcome to beautiful Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at the Arctic Fox 32A. This is one of their bigger units. It's an awesome, well-built, pure all-season coach. You can take it anywhere in the winter in Oregon and you're going to be just fine. Nice big propane tanks, self-leveling, power jack here. You got LED lights outside, so if you pull up somewhere in the night, you've got, just push a button and you can see. You've got the like rhino liner protection here. Nice big pass-through with the battery kill switch in here. You've also got your power for your jacks. They're all power on each end. Nice pass-through, magnetic holds, slam latch, exit door for the bedroom. And here, this is a nice cool feature. This is actually the trash can. When we're inside, I'll show you inside under the sink, so you don't have to drag the trash can through the coach. You can just pick it up from outside here. Let's go on in and take a look. This is an awesome coach. Now as you come in, you got the nice rocker recliners. Two more recliners here. I love how they put these little nightstands. They're awesome, so you can put a drink, stuff on. Lots of overhead storage everywhere. That's one thing Northwood always gives you, plenty of storage, and they always give you fantastic fans. So you got a fantastic fan here and a fantastic fan in the bedroom. Beautiful television, nice little fireplace that'll heat the whole place up. Nice fridge with the matching panels. Deep dish. Convection microwave oven. Place back here to put your knives. Nice backsplash. 3-burner cooktop. Nice oven. And then, as before, what I was talking to you about for your trash can, you got your little spot here. You just pull that up. Nice big double stainless steel sink. Perfect. That back later. Lots of overhead storage, as always in Arctic Fox. Nice table and chair with the extension on the table. Can seat 4 people. It's really nice. Tons of storage everywhere. That's one thing they really do well. Let's walk back in here and take a quick look inside the bathroom. Actually, let's push it open. Nice glass shower. Nice sink. Big, huge medicine cabinet in here. And of course, a fantastic fan in the bathroom as well. So there's actually 3 fantastic fans in this unit, which is incredible. Another one in here to keep you nice and cool. And then if you look at this pop out over here, it's just a ton of storage in here. Lots of closet space to hang your stuff. Built-in shelves. A little hamper spot right here. Throw your dirty clothes, and you can access that from the outside, which is kind of cool. Nice big nightstand. LED lights everywhere. More storage. This is on actuators, pops right up. Nice storage under there. You also get some chairs and a blanket and a doormat. Skylight in here as well that you can open and close. Great windows for cross breeze. Like I said, the fantastic fan is awesome to be in here. This is really an awesome unit, guys. So, if you have any questions about this Arctic Fox or any other Arctic Fox, please feel free to give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.